Hello, world! In this episode, we are going to have a stop in our journey's map at the factors where I will talk about the questions and how they can improve our learning. If we brainstorming questions, will be lightning strike. And if we fall asleep with the question, do we wake up with problems in our marriage? No. If we fall asleep with the question, do we wake up with an answer? It is known that questions are very powerful tools for problem solving. But did you know that they are also very powerful and efficient in the learning process? For example, Einstein was a great questioner. He asked good questions already by the age of 4, like, why does the compass point north? And although he wondered and questioned so many things, he was deliberately choosing which questions to tackle. In one of his quotes, he stated that if he would have an hour to solve a problem, and his life depended on it, he would spend 45 minutes making sure he was answering the right question. In order to understand how question influences learning, let's see what paying attention means. At any given moment, there are so many sensory inputs that compete for our brain resources that paying attention actually means choosing what to ignore. For an object to come in the spotlight, many others have to remain in the shadow. So, attention plays a significant role in selecting the relevant information, and it has 3 systems for doing that. First system is alerting, indicates when to attend. Second system is orienting, indicates what to attend. And the third one, executive attention, indicates how to process the attended information. What do you think? Which of these 3 systems can be steered by us with questions to support our learning? While you are trying to have the answer for this, I'm going to explain further. The orienting system acts as a spotlight on the outside world. From the millions of stimuli, it selects those to which we should allocate mental resources. William James, in his book The Principles of Psychology, wrote, "Millions of items of the outward order are present to my senses, which never properly enter into my experience. Why? Because they have no interest for me. My experience is what I agree to attend to. Only those items which I notice shape my mind." On the other side, Daniel Simons created such an experiment to prove how attention works. It is called the monkey business illusion, and I will provide here a link so that you can take part in this experiment. Now let's get back to our learning that can be supported by questions. The answer to my former question was, questions can be asked to steer the orienting system of attention, what we attend. Cognitive science speaks here of selective attention because we apply filters and select what to attend. If there is one thing that I would like you to remember out of this episode, it is the following. Before each learning session, write down your questions that you want to have answered by the material that you are reading or learning. Write down the points that you want to have clarified. Actually, enter the learning session with clear expectations and curiosity that you write down, because in this way you set filters for your brain that will put in the light the information that you are searching in the material that you are learning or reading. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Till then, don't forget, every day is a learning day. Bye!